Hello friends, welcome to XTA, the Gold Trading Academy. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on February 22nd, 2026. As you all know that huge tensions are happening all over the world. There is a war happening in between US, Iran and Israel, where I spoke to many of my students and I came to know from them and through the news that all the Middle East members are in panic right now. Only thing I can tell you is to be safe. The only thing that we can do is pray to the universe that everything be back to normal. Let's see what is going to happen in the next week, my dear friends. When I mentioned in my last video that from the range of 5,103 market will go up 5,236. So from this range you can see market has already almost traveled up to 1,600 or 1,000 maybe let's see 2,100 pips market has traveled, and I see a small bullish flag that was happening here at this area. I mentioned this same bullish flag in our community as well. From here our team has captured a profit of around 1,300 pips. Now you will be eagerly waiting to know what will be happening on the coming week. My dear friends, when such tensions are happening, some geopolitical tensions, and when wars like this are happening, I have seen that the metals moving up in a very big way. Anything can happen. We need to be always careful, but what I think is from here market would break the range of 5,327, maybe take support, or it can directly go up to the range of 5,453 range. And when the market opens, maybe it will open up with a gap up. Gap up means maybe you won't see a candle at this area, it will be directly going to the top, maybe. So my suggestion is that if the range of 5,327 breaks, then we can consider this as a bullish technically. And my suggestion is, if anybody has taken trades here on the top on the last month or has been holding for a very long time, we are ready to close those trades at break even or in profits. So also I would like to tell you, whichever broker you are trading in, doesn't matter. In every brokers tomorrow the volatility will be very high and the spreads and all these things will be very high. It is because of this global tensions. Trade safe, my dear friends. This is the only possibility that I see for the coming week. And also let me tell you this as well. If in case tomorrow any kind of news that is happening, that is like the war is over or something like that, then if the market is taking a rejection from here, it will come to the next support zone of 5,099. But I don't see that possibility. The only possibility I see is this. Also, I know that many people will be waiting eagerly for the market to open and trade news. Don't be a gambler, my dear friend. Don't be a gambler. Do not gamble your money. You are not a gambler. You are a trader. Use your brain. Use your common sense. Okay, trade with patience and proper risk management. This is the only thing that I would like to speak today, as all our members are heartbroken due to this news. Hundreds of people are losing their life. The only thing that we can do is pray for their soul. Let's pray that everything will be back to normal. Thank you so much and all the best.